nung bata ako, sinasabi to lagi ng daddy ko. Sabi niya sa akin, kasi nung bata ako, in my head, like, oh, I wanna be cool. Tapos, even with the boys, like, when you hang out, if there's two kind of guys in front of you, ang pipiliin mo yung, oh, he's so cool. Diba? So, I wanna be with that guy. But my dad always say na, you have to pick and choose the people that you wanna be associated with. There's a saying, diba na, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. Mm-hmm. Hindi, syempre, itong bata ako, parang, wala akong pakialam dyan. I'm gonna hang out with whoever. But now, I realize na yung mga choices ko back then, pero syempre, kailangan mo magkaroon ng choice na ganun para mapunta ka dun sa right choice. So, I had a lot of crowds where, hindi ka na-inspire. Feeling ko, ako lagi nag-inspire sa ibang tao. And then, nung nag-start akong self-employment business, I started to meet people na, nakaka-inspire naman to. Or like, nalaman ko na, we don't watch teleserye or we only watch certain movies or things to inspire us. And then like, oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna do that too. So nagbabago ako. Like, sabi nga nila, sumama ka sa mga tao na mas mataas sa'yo or may mindset sila na mas mataas sa'yo para sumasama ka sa kanila, na-inspire ka. Mag-iingat din tayo sa mga tao na sinasamahan natin. We have to choose who we hang out with. Kung halimbawa, ibon ako, tapos hangout ako sa mga lions, tatapang ako, rawr, diba? Kung gusto ko maging bibe, hangout ako sa bibe para bibe lang tayo. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with being bibe, I'm sure. But if you wanna be like the tigers and the lions, you hang out with lions. And honestly, I'm so proud of myself. Isa to sa mga accomplishment ko. Lahat ng kaibigan ko, empowering. Lahat ng kaibigan ko na nakakasama ko sa industry like wedding, bridal hair, makeup, everyone's like a mom with a side hustle, with a full-time hustle. Everyone struggled, but then they're always like, nope, keep on pushing. Napupush ako. Kasi minsan nawawalan ako ng gana eh. Like, you know, I get burnout too and we all push each other. And marami akong hindi alam pero alam nila. And I wanna learn from them.